If you are interested in learning how to create 3D scenes for animations, games, special effects and other purposes, and don't know where to start, this course is for you. Welcome to Blender Start, an immersive Blender crash course. This crash course was developed to give you a first contact with one of the main 3D scene creation tools of today, Blender. After learning the basics about the interface, object creation and manipulation, and getting to know some of the main modeling tools, you will create the scene of this animated robot from scratch. And throughout the project, you will see how to model, set up basic materials, animate, adjust lights and cameras, and generate a final video for your animation. And you will do all of this with Blender. Blender is an open source and free software that can be downloaded at no cost on the blender.org website. My name is Gustavo Rosa. I am a professional 3D artist with more than 15 years of experience in both teaching and producing professional scenes in 3D. And I'm thrilled to be your instructor in this amazing course. So, access the website, download Blender, and let's embark on this amazing journey together.